In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create order presets in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to set up a repeatable, reliable order configuration so you can place trades faster and with more consistency. Start on your TradingView chart. Any symbol and time frame will work for this, because you are simply preparing the order ticket the way you like it. Having the chart open gives you visual context for prices and helps you confirm that what you are about to save matches how you actually trade. Next, open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen and select your broker. This is what enables order functionality inside TradingView. If you are practicing, you can choose a paper trading connection instead of a live broker. The key here is that the panel is connected, so the order ticket reflects the sizing units and options your broker supports, such as shares, contracts, or lots. Now open the order ticket. You can do this by clicking the buy or sell buttons, or by using the plus button directly on the chart near the current price. Either route brings up the same ticket, and it's perfectly fine to use whichever feels faster to you. With the ticket open, configure your parameters the way you want them to load each time. Set your default trade size first. Pick a size that makes sense for your account and the market you are trading. Then choose your order type. Market orders execute immediately at the best available price, while limit orders aim for a specific price you set. Stop orders become active once price reaches your trigger, which can be helpful for breakouts or risk-defined entries. Next, turn on bracket orders if you use them. Brackets typically include both a take profit and a stop loss defined in price. Percentage, points, or ticks depending on the instrument. This is where you hard code your discipline. A realistic profit target and a protective stop that matches your risk plan. When everything looks right, save it as a preset. Click the Order Presets icon at the top of the order ticket and choose Save Order Preset. This captures the size, order type, and bracket configuration you just set, so you don't have to rebuild it for every trade. Give your preset a clear descriptive name and click Save. Use names that reflect intent, like swing limit with 1R stop, so you can identify the right setup at a glance later on. That's it. Thanks for watching.